Wow, this is a nice art, but it's so hard to do it. I don't know where to start. It takes years to master it. All I can draw is like this. What if I can show you it's not? Really? Yes, just grab your pencil and paper. Have the paper separate into 3 sections by drawing lines. Not too much pressure at the pencil, just enough so that you don't need plenty of erasures later. Now, we have our background, middle ground, and foreground. Let's start with background. Let's draw some small mountains. Mr. Sun shining brightly. And some fluffy clouds nearby. Now we have our background. But it seems a little bit boring. Let's add our line techniques. If you haven't watched how to draw our line techniques, go to my channel and you can review our videos. Now let's continue. Always remember where is the lightest tone and cast shadow. So I'm going to draw some hatching on the mountains, darker tones on the shadow part, and lighter tone in the light part. There we have it, our background. Let's go to the middle ground. Let's draw a river. But how? Let's start with a curvy line and another on the opposite side. But as soon as it gets closer to the foreground, our curvy lines gets further from each other. It shows a closer or nearer effect of the river. Some stones and rocks on the side, water gushing, and some trees on each side. I like to draw some pine trees. How will I draw it? Let's use some shapes and forms. Now I like to draw some cones, starting small to big, and rectangle for the trunk. I'll do hatching and cross hatching for the line and shadow effects. There we have it, our middle ground. Finally, our foreground. I challenge you not to do some erasures from the beginning till the end of your drawing. In foreground, draw as bigger than the background and middle ground. It's called overlapping. Overlap the mountains with leaves of trees and trunk on the rivers. I'll use hatching for the trunk and scribbles on the leaves. On the other side, I'm going to overlap also with a coconut tree. I'm using contour line technique for the trunk. And random spikes for for the leaves. Some tone effects and we are done. See? I know you can do it.
Oh, wow! I can't wait to show this to my mom and dad!